Hey everybody, hey, it's Alex at Trinity Roofing and Construction. Pardon my hair, it's been a crazy day. Out doing an inspection on a new construction that's been around for just over a year. Homeowner had us come out because they had a leak through the recent storms that went on the snow. And I want to show you what I found so that you can be aware, because everybody buys new construction and think that it's new, that it is going to be perfect. But we typically find a lot of issues when it comes to new construction for a multitude of reasons. In this example, what happened is that they put this, which is going to be the water heater boot, as well as the rain collar. It's tucked down tight. That's not what I'm referring to. But what happened is that this flashing goes out about 4 inches, and the shingles are supposed to be wrapped up and folded over this and cut a little bit closer. But what happened is that when they put these on and nobody was going to double check it, when they cut the rounded part off of this, they cut this too deep. They cut this part off, and then when it's leaking, it's making its way down inside behind this flashing, where the cut went further into the next shingle and then making its way into the hole, ended up down here by the water heater. Now, an example of what we also see where they cut it closer and did what they were supposed to really maximize the amount of flashing that's on the bottom, but their solution, which it looks like it was done after, was to cut another row of shingles, or this shingle, way too high, put this in, and then just seal those shingles back on. Now what happens is that then you start to get gaps around the edge, so when rain comes in, that water is going to get past this shingle and just end up in this hole where this pipe is here as well. And then over here on this wind-driven rain, this is going to be the same thing. So remember, new construction, old construction, it doesn't matter, retro, remodels, it can all have issues. You need to have it checked by a professional contractor. Make sure that you reach out to Trinity Roofing and myself at 214-455-3796. Thank you.